भारत में खेती किसानी के क्षेत्र में तकनीकी बदलाव के साथ साथ कुछ नई चुनौतियां भी आई हैं। आपको ये जानकर हैरानी होगी कि अब तकनीक कैसे खेतों में अपनी जगह बना रही है और इसके साथ ही कैसे किसान मजदूरों की कमी की समस्या से निपट रहे हैं। इस समस्या के समाधान के रूप में कर्नाटक के चामराजनगर जिले में ड्रोन तकनीक का उपयोग कैसे हो रहा है, यह एक खूबसूरत उदाहरण है। 1 एकड़ खेत में कीटनाशक और पोषक तत्वों के छिड़काव का काम सिर्फ 10 मिनट में हो जाता है, जो कि पहले 5 से 6 घंटे में होता था।
Today we are using modern technologies in farming to ease out the risky tasks. So as we all know, today the young population of our country is migrating from fields to other technological based companies, whether it is a software or any other jobs in the cities. But whereas today our farmers are lacking and they have no resources and manpower to take out the day-to-day activities in the farm. So what is happening here, the major risky task in farming is spraying insecticide and pesticide. That is called plant protection is the major task and major risk which farmers are doing. The NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization, have conducted tests in multiple sites across the country and have given a report that 45% of the farmers contain pesticides residues in their body, which is alarming. So our company, Bandipur Naturals Agri Farms Private Limited and Pipefly is a drone manufacturing company. We both jointly sort out a plan to help the farmers. So ours is an agriculture company, Pipefly is a drone company. We jointly came to a farm, made a detailed study how we could help farmers in their day-to-day activity. So initially when we started this drone technology, we had a great task that farmers had no scientific knowledge on pest and disease management. They are lacking it and they are highly depending upon stores. Even stores too, many stores are having human resource who have graduated in agricultural horticulture sciences. Majority of the task is carried out by their diploma holders.
यह तकनीक न केवल समय बचाती है बल्कि खेती की लागत को भी कम करती है। 1 एकड़ खेत में जितने ज़्यादा मजदूरों की आवश्यकता होती है वह ड्रोन से काम करते समय कम हो जाती है।
So we made a plan to invite all the farmers to our field. We did a trials in our own farm itself. So after seeing all the trials and results, farmers have convinced and we are getting orders. We have covered nearly 70 farmers and more than 250 acres of the cropped area we have sprayed so far. There is a great future for drone technology in a country like India.
इस तरीके से खेती किसानी के क्षेत्र में तकनीक का जादू हो रहा है और किसान भाइयों और बहनों के लिए ये एक नई उम्मीद का स्रोत बन रहा है।